Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show to you how to buy from Pandabuy. So the first step is to go to Pandabuy, and then here you have to choose the items. Here you can buy basically any type of clothes and any type of items. Simply choose the item you want to buy. Then you have to choose the color, the size, and everything they ask to, depending on the product that you want to buy. Then click on buy now, and basically here you have to choose your country. So this is very important. And then here you'll have to click on submit order. But before I click this box here, then you'll get redirected to a page where you'll have to pay for the products. Then after you pay, you'll have to enter your home address, and that's all. Basically, someone from Pandabuy will take care of your order and ship it to your address. So, I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.